In this video, we'll provide you with a brief overview on how to register your certificate and view the applicable hotels and resorts available to you under this program. Pre-registration. To utilize your certificate, you'll first need to register it by visiting www.odenzareg.com. On this page, you'll see a box where you can input your certificate code and number. Once entered, click on Submit and follow the on-page instructions to finalize your registration. It's important to note that at the time of registration, you may be required to apply a deposit. Should you decide not to use your certificate or proceed with the booking, that deposit is refundable. Prior to registration, you can still view the range of resort and hotel properties available through the One Week Getaway by visiting www.oneweekgetaway.com. This website, while a demo, lists all applicable properties based on real-time availability. From this site, you will have two options for the type of properties you would like to view. Promotional getaways include the default properties covered with the certificate. Upgrade getaways include properties that are discounted with the certificate program but will require additional costs. The additional costs will be listed next to each property within the upgrade section. Remember that available properties can vary depending on the time of year, the level of demand, and whether you're viewing properties under promotional getaways or upgrade getaways. Post-registration. Once you've registered your certificate and paid any applicable deposit, you will receive an email that provides you with a link to the reservation portal. In this portal, you can select the resort or hotel you'd like to book and the dates you'd like to go for, and hold it for 24 hours. When you've placed a hold on your preferred property, you can then reach out to Odenza's travel team by calling the provided toll-free number. A travel agent will answer any questions you have about your chosen resort or hotel and will finalize your booking. They can go over additional fees or upgrade costs required at this time as well. Please be aware that the resort and hotel listings you see on the One Week Getaway website and reservation portal are the same that Odenza's travel agents and customer service representatives have access to. If you do not see a specific resort or hotel listed, then that property is unavailable with this program. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a wonderful getaway.